So Vidu AI just changed the way we create the consistent characters inside of the AI videos. Now you can upload two different characters inside of the same scene but with the character consistency. Or you can just upload the image of your character and the scene and define in the prompt section what you want that actor to do, and this will keep the environment and the character consistent. And this is all possible because of their new version 1.5. So here is the website of the Vidu.studio. I have already covered a detailed video on that, and these are some of the feature videos on their website, and look at the quality, how they have improved their previous version. Now to get started, you have to click on this create button and you will have this interface in front of you. So here you can see we have the option to select the model. So we have the Vidu 1.0, Vidu 1.5. Now here we have multiple options: image to video, reference to video, text to video. But in this video we're only going to focus on the reference to video because this is the groundbreaking feature. So by default you will have the interface like this one, so you just need to upload the image. So I generated this video here. So let's say I have this image of a skeleton, and then I will enable the multi-entity consistency. So after enabling this, you will have the option to upload the multiple images. So let's select this image. So if you can't see this clearly, this is the first image of a skeleton generated with the ideogram, and this is the image of a boat in the Amazon rainforest. So what we're gonna do, inside of the prompt section, we will type a pirate skeleton riding a boat in Amazon river. So if we look at the settings, you can see we have multiple options here. You can generate the 4 seconds and 8 seconds long video. So the 8 seconds long video are not available with the speed mode. You have to select the high resolution mode. And with their 1.5 update, they have also introduced the 720p and 1080p videos, but you can only access these features by just upgrading to their premium plans that we're gonna look after in this video. But right now we're gonna stick with their free plan. And then we have the option to select the movement altitude. So this will define how much movement you want in your video. So you can keep it on the auto, you can select the small, medium, large. So let's keep it around small. Then we have the aspect ratio options and hit create. And by the way, if you are worried about the credits, in the free plan, this will give you the 80 free credits, and these credits will renew after every month. So you can generate almost 20 videos in a free plan, which is a decent amount of videos. Alright, so this is the output video. Well, the video quality is not good because we are using the free plan, but if you upgrade to the premium plan, the video quality will be 1080p. But if we look at the video, you can see we have the same pirate character and the board is not fully visible. So this was not quite there, but the generation that I tried earlier, so this was the video that I generated earlier, and look at that. We have almost the same environment. We have the rainforest. We have this side view of this pirate character. So sometimes this is not 100% there, but it captures the idea how it works. Now here I have one more image of a turtle, and we have an image of a mouse. So what I'm gonna do, I'll upload the image of a turtle and mouse, and in the prompt section we're gonna type a mouse riding a turtle. Alright, so now we have the same turtle and same mouse, but this mouse is riding this turtle. And just imagine how many opportunities this tool can bring to us, because in AI video generation we have a lot of limitations, and one of the limitation was generating the two separate characters inside of the same scene, and now this problem has been solved. Now we can take it one step further because we have the option to upload one more image. So what we're gonna do, this time I'm gonna upload this image of a beach, and let's type a prompt, a mouse riding a turtle on a beach. And look at this output. Look at that, how good this actually is. Now we have the same character, we have the same turtle, we have the same mouse, but now they are on a beach. This is crazy. So this feature has the endless possibilities, and one of them I saw on the Twitter where this guy Ramon Teleco, I don't know if I pronounced this wrong, I'm sorry if I pronounced this wrong. So he used his image of a face, then he used the image of this outfit and this model walk, and here is the output. Amazing. Just let's watch this one more time. Amazing. And just imagine you are not even training any LoRa model to generate the consistent characters and to make them wear the outfits. So keeping that in mind, you can also use this to generate the videos of your AI influencer, and you can make them wear any dress. So I will cover a separate video on that. I have the idea about this one, so make sure to subscribe the channel. Now let's try this thing with the human characters. So I have this image of this warrior generated with the ideogram. So we're gonna upload this image, and we will put this woman inside of the New York City or any kind of the city street, and in the prompt section we have typed a warrior at New York streets, and let's hit generate. Alright, so this is the output video, and now you can see we have this warrior woman is posing on the New York streets, and here's the one more output. And now in this one it also looks very similar. Yes, she's posing the same as in the image, but we can also fix this thing by just changing the prompt. So I hope you get the idea how this tool works and how you guys can implement different characters inside of the same scene. So the possibilities are endless, and they also offer free credits, so you can try it for free. So that's it from today. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one.